With the knowledge base, your customers can find instant answers to their questions on their own. You can turn your knowledge base on and start creating help articles aimed at answering the most common customer questions, walking them through key product features, and so on. To give you an idea of what your knowledge base articles will look like, let's check out a draft that we have over here. The article editor is super easy to use. Basically, what you see here in the editing mode is what your customers will see once your article is published in your knowledge base. You can style your text, insert images, videos, and do so much more. Under article settings, you can organize the placement of your articles within your knowledge base hierarchy by placing it in a different category or section. And under the advanced settings below, you can edit the article metadata in order to improve its search engine rankings. You can save your article as a draft for your team's eyes only, or when it's ready, publish it. Once your articles are live, customers will be able to find the right content in your knowledge base by searching for the relevant terms. Additionally, you can send articles right from your inbox when chatting with users that require more info on a particular topic. To see whether users find your content useful, don't forget to check article reactions as well as other stats in the reports section. You can also set up the knowledge base the way you prefer under the settings menu. Specify a custom domain name for your knowledge base, choose whether to display a chat widget or not, fully customize the appearance, and more. Building and maintaining a helpful knowledge base requires some resources, but the rewards in the form of improved customer satisfaction and decreased customer team workload are definitely worth it.